Okay guys, so this week we made together, and I've done two full-length videos, and I've done few shorts on YouTube and on my Instagram. We made together this huge, it's massive. It's a 12 by 6. It's a very large journal. This is probably the largest I have ever done. Let me just move this on this side. Perfect. We made together these. It's not a Valentine's journal, but I call it a love journal. On Monday, next week Monday, I'll do a proper walkthrough, because since the video that I showed you on Tuesday and Wednesday, I have decorated further, so it's actually bigger than what you've seen on Tuesday and Wednesday, because I just used up all the stickers and all the ephemera that I have received from Topology. So yeah, just to give you a little preview, but there is a lot of, you see that I use all the stickers, my ephemera, etc, etc. So in case you guys missed the videos, I will put them linked down below. So every week on a Friday freebie, of course, I give you a free printable, which this week is this one here, to go, of course, because it's kind of like a Valentine's week. No, because have used my love hearts, which is the kit that this freebie has been designed from. I'll show you the remaining of the pages, because I print these off about 4 times. I think I print off 4 copies of this kit that I have used to make the journals, and I have got a few bits and pieces. Again, the beauty of digital paper is that you can print the pages on cardstock, paper, vellum, music sheets, coloured paper. So for example, if you print this background on a blue cardstock, instead of having the white and the red, you will have a blue and the red. I hope I'm making sense. So the beauty of digital papers is that everything that you print, if you print, and I think I've got a page when I printed off from vellum. Yeah, so this page here, this is from the Pink Butterflies digital papers. I print off, instead of using normal copy paper, I print off on vellum, and you've got this beautiful vellum. And that is the beauty, that digital papers are so versatile and cheaper. If you think, okay, you have to buy the inks for your printer, but you got the versatility of printing these beautiful papers on any surfaces. Right, so as I was saying, every Friday we have a freebie. Okay, the freebie, I normally design the page for you guys to use for free. It's my treat to say thank you for your support. The freebie is being designed from a kit, and this week's freebie is being designed from my love heart. And I'll show you what I've got left, papers wise, printed off, but I'll show you of course on the screen as well, so you guys can see it on my website in case you guys purchase it. The kit that's been showcased goes on sale from Friday to Sunday, just for 3 days only, at 30% off. So every week I choose a kit I designed the freebie from, and the kit that I chose goes 30% off for 3 days only. Just a flash sale. Just grab it until it goes discounted. For my VIP members, you guys get your 30% off on top of this as well. So very, very good bargain. So let me show you what I've got left. Some pages I have printed, I don't know if you can see it, on linen. This is linen paper. Reminds me of the Egyptian papers thing. So I have a couple of those left. Some of these are printed front and back. I have used in the kit, there are a couple of pages with the ephemera. If I get them on it, that's it. So you can use the ephemera on his integrity. So I have used 2 of these, and on these I really like the heart, so I just fussy cut the heart. I think I got another page printed off. That's it. So this is the same page. So I fancy this heart, so if I put it like this. So I really like the heart with just the doves, so I just fussy cut the heart. So you can use it all like this, or you can just fussy cut the hearts. I have used this one. This is the picture that was missing. You'll get a couple of pages with some heart doilies. You get a page with 2 pillow boxes. Now you can use this as pillow boxes. You can fussy cut the hearts. You can use them, if you just chop this bit, they can just be used as pockets in your journal. Of course, you can use them as pillow boxes. You get some tags. Sorry. Get some tags. You get some hearts embellishment for you to cut, fussy cut. You can, and the reason why I've designed this, you can color it as well. So you've got your freedom to do what you want. Milk carton gift box. So this milk carton, when you chop it and follow the fold line, look like this. Okay, so the 4 squares are the 4 sides, of course. The 2 squares at the bottom, and then the 2 triangles are the 2 triangles there. So if I open it up, yeah, you probably see it better. So just score the triangle pieces, and of course those 2 rectangulars at the front and back, and then the little strips on top is the strip that you use it to close it. You can glue it up and put your present inside, but I do like to use my little pegs because I want people to reuse it. So I love milk carton boxes. I do love it because I think they're super cute little gift boxes. What I've got here left, I've got more tags. Oh, more ephemera. This is what I have used that you're not seeing it in the previous pages. I've got another page with the pillow boxes, more hearts, and then there is another page that I have used in the journal. I use this page as belly band. So again, when you use this paper, use your imagination. Just think a little bit outside the box. So that's the page. So what I've done, I fussy cut it. I put some glue here and I use it as a belly band. Can you see? So yeah, I just put my piece of ephemera there. But you can use that page itself. You can either fold the triangle in a triangle shape, glue here and there, and that's a pocket. But I do, I did like the idea of using as belly band. But again, on Monday, next Monday, I'll do a completely flip through so you guys can hopefully get some ideas. And of course, this journal will be on sale if you guys wish to purchase it. More tags and more ephemera. And then there's loads of background actually. That's another background with the hearts, the flowers, the roses, and the little cherubs. So that's the kit that is 30% off, and that is the freebie. Okay, so the freebie, guys, how you get it. This freebie is on my Facebook group, so all the links are down below. So if you guys want to go on my Facebook group, request to join. Once you're approved, click on files and you see all the freebies that I have shared in the last couple of years. So if it's the first time you watch this video, hello and welcome. My name is Antonio. Hi, ciao. You get all the freebies. So yeah, go and help yourself. Also, every Friday at 9 p.m. British time, of course, I send out a newsletter, and I will put here on the screen on the left hand side what the newsletter looks like. There are the videos of the week, a digital paper of the week. There are some. Also, don't tell anybody, but there is a cheeky discount code as well every week, but don't say that to anybody. So it's a secret. So there are offers. Yeah, it's really, really worth it. It's one email. I'm not here to spam anybody because A, I haven't got time, and 2, spamming is not kind. So yeah, you've got 2 options. Again, everything is listed down below. Let me show you my Facebook group where to find the freebie. Okay guys, so this is my Facebook group. This is the cover. You scroll down, if you click on files, you see all the freebie I have shared sorted by time. So you've got the newest on the top. So for instance, if you click in here, that's the freebie. Okay, so they're all in there. If you click on files, all in there. And this is my Christmas Advent calendars freebie. So if you're not download them, do it now. Okay, I'm also going to show you now on my website where to find the love hearts that will be discounted at 30% off. Remember guys, until Sunday only. Okay guys, so this is my website, www.antoniomex.com. So if you click on digital papers, this is the kit, the love hearts. There you go, discounted at 30% off. And it was last week as well, only because it's nearly Valentine's. So I thought just for 2 weeks, we're doing this kit 30% off. From next Friday and so on will be a different kit. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this freebie, don't forget to give me a really big thumbs up. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube. And if you are happy with that, just put 2 thumbs up. No, you can only allow 1. You can only allow 1. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my newsletter so you get this freebie automatically every week, so you don't forget. And also, don't forget to join my Facebook group so you can download all the freebies for the last 3 years. Okay, thank you so much for watching guys, and until Sunday for a fabulous giveaway, stay safe and well. Bye.